Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to discuss a very practical AWS topic, that is how to create a launch template with customized AMI. Okay, so here before jumping into this session, let's try to understand why these two services are important. One is AMI and another one is launch template. Okay, so these two are so important in real time projects. So first of all, here what is an AMI? AMI is nothing but Amazon Mission Image. It's like a photograph or blueprint of your server. Okay. Imagine if you have launched an EC2 instance by installing Apache, Tomcat, or anything project code you have. If you need to launch 10 more servers with the exact same setup, doing everything manually would take hours, right? So instead of that, you can simply create one AMI, and from that AMI you can instantly launch a number of identical servers. Okay. So if you see here, I don't have any AMIs currently. Okay. And then what is a launch template? So here a single launch template can store all the necessary information for launching EC2 instance, including which AMI or instance type, key pair, security groups, and all the networking details. Okay, this means that you don't need to click through 7 to 8 steps every time in the console. With this template you can launch consistent servers within one click. Okay, which one do we use the most, like AMIs or launch templates? First of all, both are important, but launch templates are used more often because they support auto scaling groups. Okay, so automatic scaling and scale out, and this is used for spot instances also. Versioning, you can update configurations easily, and in short, like AMI is like a blueprint of the machine, and the launch template is the recipe to launch machines consistently. So now let's see the step by step how we can create launch template with the custom AMI. Okay, just give the name and select Amazon Linux 2 and instance type as T2 micro. Okay, so if you have an existing key, you can select that, or else you can create new key pair also. Here I'm just creating new key pair. Okay, just to create key pair. So coming to networking settings, I am using all the default network settings, VPC, security groups and all. Okay, um, and must and should, in the security group you need to allow port 22 and port 80. So once you are all done with the settings, cross check and launch EC2 instance. Okay, so make sure that in the security groups enable HTTP and SSH. Okay, now I'm just going to install some web page. Okay, give the sudo m update -y. It will update all the system packages to the latest versions automatically. And then install Apache web server by using of sudo m install -y httpd. Okay, so once this is installed, we need to start Apache. Use the command sudo systemctl start httpd, so it will immediately start the Apache service. So it begins listening on the port 80. Once this is done, we need to enable httpd ensures that the Apache starts automatically every time once the instance reboots. Okay, so it is automatically enabled. I'm just going to create simple HTML file as the default web page in Apache's document. The path is /var/www/html. Okay, so this is created simple HTML file. After that, just copy the instance public IP and verify that you are getting the proper output or not. So here I just copied the instance public IP, and you could see that it is showing the test page, right? So custom AMI Apache test page. So I'm just going to create custom AMI from the running EC2 instance. Okay, so go to the running EC2 instance and select that instant, go to actions, image and templates, create image. Okay, so here you can name it like custom Apache AMI. Okay, and then rest all the settings need to be default and then create AMI. So here wait until the AMI status shows available. So by using of this AMI later, whenever you need a new server with the exact same setup, you can simply launch it from this image instead of reinstalling every time. Okay, so now I just going to create launch template. Okay, so you can see here they are giving one standard definition regarding the launch templates, how we can able to use this and all. Okay, so just to click on create launch template, just go through this definition, you can get it. Okay, so just click on that right side, create launch template. Name it like LT custom Apache. Okay, just before that just check that AMI is available or not. So it is available. I'm just going to create launch template now. You can name it like LT custom Apache. Choose the AMI whatever we have created from that running EC2 instance. Okay, just scroll down, go to my AMIs and you can select that custom AMI whatever we have created. Okay, so here it is. Next select instance type is T2 micro and scroll down and you can select the security groups. I'm just selecting T2 micro here. Okay, so if you have an existing key you can select that, or else you can create new key pair as well. Here I'm just using the existing one. So coming to networking settings, I just used all the default networks. Okay, so inside this security group you must need to allow port 22, that is SSH, and port 80 HTTP. Okay, once cross check all these settings and you can launch template. Just wait for 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, so here launch template is like a recipe card that stores every instruction needed to launch and new EC2 instance. Okay, so which will have the instance type, key pair, security groups, and even startup commands as well. So with this launch template, I'm just going to create one EC2 instance. So all the details came like by default. As I said before, it will comes with the instance type, key pair and security groups and all. If you want to modify anything, you can modify it. Here they have mentioned the instance details also. Okay, so here are the details, just find it out. Okay, instance type T2 micro, key pair and the networking settings, everything came as usual. So if you want to increase number of instances to be created, you can increase it like 1 2 3 4 like that, or else if you want to decrease it, you can decrease it. Okay, on the right side you can see, right, number of instances, you can increase it or else you can decrease it. If you see here, when launching more than one instance, consider as EC2 auto scaling. Okay, so you can decrease it or you can increase it, so according to the number it will launch the instances. So here I'm just created instance from the launch template. So instead of repeating all the setup, we just select the template and AWS will launch the new EC2 instance that automatically uses our custom AMI with all the settings we have saved. It is very fast and it will prevent the mistakes also. Okay, so just to connect to that newly created EC2 instance. Okay, Here I'm just going to verify that sudo systemctl status httpd. I'm just checking like it is running or not. So see here it is running, right? Just copy that instance public IP and open it in a browser. You should see that custom AMI Apache test page. If you are not able to get the proper output, just you need to go and check the security group settings. Okay, so here I am able to see the custom AMI Apache test page, right? So AMI provided the same Apache installation and a test page. Here I just want to show it to you, the output of two running EC2 instances. Okay, just copy this one and open it in a browser. You can able to see the custom AMI Apache test page. So it means that our two running EC2 instances is getting the output, right? I hope this video is helpful for you all. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and stay tuned for more AWS and DevOps hands-on tutorials. Thank you all for watching this video. Bye bye.